What's going on, everyone? It's Sunday morning, so that means
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day.
It's not really fun though. It's kind of cold.
Yeah, it is. It's not as bad as last weekend.
Yeah, last
weekend was like 19 degrees. But anyway, we are working on the Supra again today. I know you guys are excited not to see the Mustang.
Everyone loves the Mustang.
Let me scooch by here real quick.
Why?
Because I want to show the people. So last time we worked on the Supra, we were waiting on this, and it finally came in. So this is Randall's new. Is it new or is it used?
Used. Already assembled.
This is Randall's new to him, SPEEDUNIO Xtronics standalone computer.
WTMRONICS.
Oh, all right. But yeah, so today is going to be part one of installing a SPEEDUNIO standalone ECU on a Mark III 7M Supra. Pumped? Pumped? Let's see, you're all jacked up.
Yeah, I've already started looking at Mustangs to buy whenever I sell it.
So you're gonna...
That was a joke. That was a stab at you.
I know.
Okay.
So you're gonna put the standalone harness in.
I'm gonna
just to take it back out.
Yep.
Put the factory stuff back in and sell it and get
a Mustang. Yeah.
A Mustang.
That's what I plan on doing.
All right, cool. So the first step in this process has already been done last time we did a video on the Supra, and that was to take the factory engine harness out. So today we're going to start working on the standalone harness. Randall has acquired these specially made, handcrafted wires that are oil resistant, fuel resistant, and all that stuff.
They're handmade.
I don't know. I'm sure maybe.
They're a big machine, dude.
Yeah, probably.
But Wire Barn. If you need wire, go to Wire Barn.
This is from Wire Barn. This is not paid sponsorship, but if you would like to pay us, we won't say no. We would do anything for money.
Not anything.
Just about anything.
Nothing.
Just about.
Can't have stuff going on my nose. That's where I draw the line.
Would you? No, never mind.
The ear, I'm cool with. I'm cool with the ear. Just not the nose. The nose. That's where I draw the line.
So we got label maker, heat shrink labels, and a 91 Toyota Supra wiring diagram book.
Oh.
So we're gonna go through the wires and the diagram, and looks like he needs 3 injector wires, 3 grounds, a 5-volt source, and some other stuff. And
but if you want to do like a plug and play sort of setup, WTMRONICS sells a like Denso board that you could use to just plug it in, make it plug and play.
Oh, okay. We'll put their link in the description.
Yeah. They're the ones that I ordered stuff from, put the wrong address.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to try to reuse the factory fuse block because it's got like his ignition switch and stuff and all that in it, right? Am I saying that right?
Headlights.
Oh. Well, it's got all, yeah.
Headlights, alternator, like the charging, all that.
So we want to try to reuse that. So we're going to take it out and see what the connector looks like so we can match it, the connector to the stock harness. Because what we're going to do, we're going to dissect this, pretty much take all the loom off and everything like that, and then trace each wire, depin it from the connector.
Oh, is that what we're doing?
Oh, I don't know.
I thought we were just making it from scratch.
Well, you still got to use the connector, right?
Yeah, true.
So we still have to depin it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So depin it from the connector and then run a new wire for each wire and connector. So it's going to be basically a brand new harness, just reusing the plastic connectors. Right? Did I explain that correctly?
If we can. A lot of them are broken, so I'm going to have to source them. So. If anyone knows where to source them, please let me know.
Well, Whatever happened to that?
I don't know if Yoda. What's up with Yoda connectors? I have no.
Whatever happened to that heritage program?
I think they made.
Like 2 things.
I think they made what's it called? Molding, and that was it. I think. I have no idea. Okay.
Just want to show you guys a little comparison. So that's just with garage light. And that's with the Odelfi headlamp that I am currently wearing. Makes a big difference. And you still got your hands to work with. If you'd like to purchase one of these, there's a link in the description. You can get a discount. I think it's like 10% off, and helps us out too. All right, so we just about got all the loom and the nasty electrical tape off the old wiring harness, and we tried to keep everything still segregated, so it's just not like scratching our heads. I didn't take that off, but whatever.
That's the mass airflow. That won't be going back.
You are not needed. You're fired. So yeah, so now we can start matching stuff up and start working on the new harness.
Maybe someday.
Yeah.
It'll run again.
Just go ahead and put it up for sale now.
Okay. What should I get? I don't feel like I should get a Mustang.
Crown Vic.
What's another hated car? Like one that the masses look at and they're like, really? Another one of those?
Charger.
That's just you.
Challenger.
Just you.
What?
You have the Charger hate.
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh.
Lucas loves them. Everyone loves Chargers now. Mustangs are so last week.
Hellcat boy.
Are you mad because they're traitors?
No. They can go away.
You don't listen to that when you cruise in the Mach?
No. I just listen to.
You don't turn it up to 11, ride around and say you're a Mustang boy?
No.
And you're 4.6?
No.
I'm gonna regret saying this, but I'm never gonna have to worry about them making one for the Mark III.
Supra boy. Last piece of tape.
You know, I'm waiting for it. Like when I pull it off, the whole thing goes bang, like wire shoot everywhere.
All right, we have ourselves a naked wiring harness. All right, well, we got to figure out how to depin these connectors more easily. We have the tools for it. It's just they're just not unlocking from their position. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Yeah, if you find this stuff helpful for you, you know, go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. We can't grow without your help. If you can, go to sandrmotoring.com, check out our merch, maybe pick a couple shirts up. We are saving up for a race car project, so every little bit helps.
Even though he's got a slow Supra, thank you to Mr. Chaney for the PS pump, the reservoir, and the stickers.
Yeah. If you don't know who we're talking about, it's Build One More.
It's on the back of the Supra.
Oh, yeah. Right. Look. If you hadn't had a chance, go check him out. We kind of...
I mean, we never even explained.
No. We kind of have a little race lined up, I guess.
Yes, no hard dates have been set yet, but he's got a Mark III Supra with a 7M. I have a Mark III Supra with a 7M. So we gonna race, son. Like that.
Does the Mach have to handle your light work?
You mean that Civic they have?